Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus Fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is surprisingly quick, usually taking just a few minutes from start to finish. You'll be back on the road with a fully functional key fob in no time, avoiding any unexpected lockouts. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of your Lexus Fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight, careful twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the fob casing should begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once you hear a small click, you're on the right track to accessing the battery compartment. With the fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, making sure the positive, or plus, side is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This ensures proper contact and functionality. A snug fit means you're almost done. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Once reassembled, test your key fob with your Lexus to ensure it locks and unlocks the doors correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.